What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today's video, as I promised in the last video, I was going to show off the Pine Script, TradingView script that I got. So this is the current script that is currently running. The market, I think, just started. Let me see. Just started about 2-ish minutes ago. So this is the script that kind of runs through. I have a little momentum tracker down here on the bottom. This is controlled via membership access. So as if people were to buy it or whatnot, right, I have it all controlled under scripts, which it's all read out. But yeah. So yeah, so I have memberships, or I give the script to the people. It just depends which. Based off of this and how this is kind of working out, I'll probably just end up giving it to people once you buy it. So it goes through the script. So it says bet yes, bet confirm. So that is your strongest indicator that you currently have. I do think I have. I have it in here somewhere. I guess I did. Yeah, I do have it. That's the. Yeah, so like it has like the reversions that I have a chart that comes with it, but it tells you essentially here's your betting that you need to kind of bet. Obviously, it's based off of 1-minute candles, currently using Coinbase. You do have to manually set your Kalshi target line, uses Coinbase, markets, has a bunch of other rules, things that you can turn off, lines, etc. if you don't like it. Blue line, you have an anchor line, top and bottom. Then you just get some signals that go throughout. You get watch ups, contract settled, bet down, bear trap, bet yes, which this one's currently still saying bet yes. So this is currently sitting in an upward trajectory on Kalshi, which it is. It's currently sitting at 70%. Yellow line is obviously your strike line of kind of where you're looking to get to. And so we'll just keep playing through this. I probably won't end it all the way to the end just so you guys can, so this video is not super long. But overall, I mean, this is the line. So you get the watch down signals, contract settles, watch up, bet yes. Showing you that that's a new bear traps with evidence and confirming. I don't think it's going to really show much because these are all kind of off now, but oh yeah, and then you have rev yes with a strong, which then the rev yes was invalid. It didn't end up happening, which it did end up happening right there. But then you right before that you had the bear trap strong, and then boom, bear trap strong, which it still ended up going down a little bit, but it did come back up. Rev no high, rev yes was invalid, which there was the yes, invalid, rev no, which you got the rev no invalid here because it broke back up above. Rev yes, and then rev yes invalid. Obviously the signals could be different based on where we are. And then all the way over to the right side, you have this essentially running tracker that's kind of like a good thing to track. So right now it's saying up, wait, you're $9 above the current strike line. That's roughly about how much time's left. Obviously it doesn't update automatically. It says 9 minutes 58, which we're seeing at 9:25. Change of structure. So you have a structure that is hinting down. Your trend is down and it's intact. Its projected settle is down. So right now, you're sitting about kind of even, and then you have the bot as well, which you've seen in the other video. So this kind of has like essentially like a chance to potentially flip with based off what this is saying. So you would kind of watch the next candle, right? But it's saying up right now, so it's kind of like, hey, I'm still sitting up, projected settle down, trend down. So right now, this is kind of like where if I was betting with what this was saying is I'd kind of hold off on seeing what's going to happen. I mean, you can take the gamble, right, that it's going to drop maybe still, I mean, you had the gravestone, so like that's kind of where your drop kind of happened. But depending on how this candle forms after this minute or after these 22 seconds that are left is really going to be kind of dependent on what the outcome is. Which now, all right, so now you're getting upward trajectory. It tried to drop, but then got denied. See where this candle ends. All right, so it ended kind of up, so that's kind of showing us that we have some more upward trajectory. Still says up. Change of structure now is up. Your trend is down. Your projected settle is still down. So it's still because this anchor line, right? Like in order for this to be like a good solid up, this has to be back above this anchor line. But typically on good markets, if this bet yes comes in, that's where it's going to end. So you would buy the dips. Once you kind of see it and you trust these signals a little bit more often, the signals do hit more often than not. But if you guys are new, we do have a Discord channel that we go through, and I do try to stream every now and then. If you guys are interested in VIP access, the VIP access is sent from the bot. It sends you the signals of currently what they are. The last ones, obviously I showed you the script, were up, medium, up, lean. Then we have all of our vouchers, right? So bot vouchers, if people are using the bot, VIPs, script vouchers, and then call outs. YouTube, we're currently sitting at 53 members. We got all of our prices right here. So current promo deals for the first 5, script 300, bot 200, both for 400. And you get VIP access for 1 month free, which I'm also willing to do demos. And then after the promo's gone, it's going to go to 500, 500, which I'm also willing to work on prices or whatever, right? But yeah, anyways, that is the script. I'm not going to sit here for another 6 minutes to just watch candles with y'all. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the Discord channel. And I hope to see you guys in the Discord. Peace.